So children, welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to make a Rajasthani painting. So for that what we do, it's a very simple painting. You just have to follow few simple steps and it will be done. So what will we do is, we will make a Ulta U first. See, it's a Ulta U at the corner of the page. After making this Ulta U, you are going to make one gulla. One gulla, 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 gulla. Okay, after you make this gulla, you will make number 11. We'll make the necklace of the lady. She is the Rajasthani lady in the ghungat. Now the ghungat from here will come down and the ghungat from here will come down here. So Ulta U, a gulla, number 11. This is the what do you call, the ornaments, and this is her shoulder. Now I'll quickly do a little bit of work with pencil. See, this will be your T factor. Can you see the T factor? This will be your T factor, and we'll go to make the eyes. So over here we'll make the U. Okay, from U we will go up and make the eye. Only if it is right I will do it with the marker. If it is not right, I cannot take any chance. Now this is the doubly part, this is the eyelid part. Big eyes, huh? Rajasthani girls or the Rajasthani women, all with big eyes. Just see to that they are equal. Then we make the tikada. Acha, and they have a speciality. They wear a bum, what you call, जो भी बोलते हैं यार, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, टिक्का टिक्का, ए टिक्का टिक्का, कौन सी तो भी पिक्चर का है ये, तो टिक्का टिक्का. Which movie? Can you guess? Even I forget. Acha, now for the lips. My T factor has gone a bit teda. Okay, we'll make 3 dashes. So from the between dash we make a small U, from the above dash we make a small U. Now from the between dash we go up, and then we come down and we make the lips. Yeah, she's looking beautiful. So we'll do it with the marker quickly so that we don't waste much of time, and then we can rub the pencil part. Okay, so this is the tikada. Okay, at the center, no wakda tikada. And you know why we do the T factor? We do the T factor so that the eyes are not vangad tingad. This is the bum bum. Now the eyes will have some shape, so let's give some shape. This is the kajal part. Now you go up, you take a turn. Okay, this is the kajal part. Let it go in the palla. टिक्का टिक्का, ये कौन सी पिक्चर का है, मैं भूल रही हूँ यार. अभी मेरे दिमाग में आ गया. अभी जब तक रात नहीं होएगी तब तक मेरे दिमाग में टिक्का टिक्का ऐसे ही आता रहेगा. I'm not making the above and the below part because that I'm going to cover it with the colors, because this marker is very motya, jadya. I cannot use such jadya marker to do. Acha, yeah, I was wondering. So the lady is done. Now for the male part, we'll make it a little wakda. So what are we going to do is, I'll not do it directly with the marker if it goes wrong. So we are going to make number 11 here. Okay, after making number 11, we will take a turn and come inside. Now again the T factor. I think so this is gone. I told you, if we make mistakes we should be very, let the number 11 be here. Now we make the T factor. The T factor is made so that your eyes, nose do not go wakda tekda. This is the nose. Now from the nose we come up, we take a turn. Now we take a turn and we come up, eyes, and from here we take a turn and come up Aisa for the eyes, and we make the ball here also. Okay, now this will be his eyebrows. He's a male now, so no figure. And the speciality, मुझे हो तो नथुलाल जैसी हो वरना ना हो. ये टिक्का टिक्का पता नहीं यार कौन सी पिक्चर का है, मेरे दिमाग में चढ़ गया. नाउ हिज ईयर्स एंड द इयरिंग्स. You know, Rajasthani men also wear earrings. So his earrings. Now the pagadi, ding 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 ding. Okay, it goes down like that, it goes down like that, and it comes and it's here. So it's done. Now we'll rub the T factor and we'll marker it. Okay, the lips are gone behind the lady. Okay, we should make a shoulder part here somewhere. Correct, the neck will come here and the shoulder, yes, it should come here. Now let's quickly make, this is the eyebrow part, this is the eye part. If you remember, ये टिक्का टिक्का कौन सी पिक्चर का है, प्लीज राइट इट इन द कमेंट बिकॉज इट इज नॉट कमिंग इन माई हेड. एंड नाउ दैट इंक्विजिटिविटी कि ये कौन सी पिक्चर का था, टिक टिक्का, वो मेरे दिमाग में घूमने ले. So we make one undo, we make one nargundu, and we make one undo. We make a undo, we make a nargundu, and we make a undo. Now we color the nargundu black and leave the undo white. We color the nargundu black and leave the undo white. इधर हम लोग शेडिंग करेंगे. ओके, we'll make this man blue. नहीं, we'll make this man green, and we'll make the lady blue, red, और रेड स्किन कलर बहुत किया है. What should we do? Should we do it blue? I want you all to learn because you know you can use any colors for the skin. It is not necessary skin है तो skinich color करने का. No, an artist can make a man blue. He can make a man green. He can make a man purple. Okay, now इधर से इसका इधर ऐसा मुंडा गया, फिर इधर से इसके गलिया आया. गली आने के बाद ये उसके कंधे, कंधे के बाद एनी स्पेशल फीचर ऑफ राजस्थानी आर्ट इफ यू रिमेंबर. अच्छा, दिस विल मेक इट वेरी कलरफुल. यू नो दिस टर्बन्स, दे आर ऑफ बांधनी, सो वी आर गोइंग टू मेक इट वेरी कलरफुल, वेरी कलर. So let us start with the coloring of the male part. For coloring of the male part, I told you we'll do it green. So let us start. Now this is the part which has to be light green. So leaving a little space of white. See, I've left a little space of white and I will be coloring Popatia green. Popatia green is the parrot green color. See, I've left a touchki white over here, just to show that it is the nose and the nose always shines. So we'll quickly do the borders first, children. However big you become, you are supposed to do your borders first, and after that you have to fill the coloring. So the nose and the mouth part, the mouth has been done. Okay, this part will come later on. Now what we'll do is we'll take a dark green and we'll color this part dark green. Okay, so we'll be playing only with two colors, that is the dark green and the light green. Not much of shading. You don't have to merge colors much. And in the eye, because this is green in color, we will put a little green tinge here and a dark green tinge here. See, can you see? Now what will we do? Just besides the nose part, we'll do dark green, and just at the corners here and here we are going to do dark green. The moochri part has to be done later on. Okay, and we will put a little bit of dark green here and dark green here. So this is done. After this is done, what we are going to take is the light green and just do gully on the remaining face. Light green on the remaining face, taking care that we don't smudge the colors. We don't have to smudge the colors. We are just supposed to do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. So this is the way how we have done the green color and the light green color. Now we have put dark green here in the eye. What will we do is we will take our yellow and put a bit, we will sketch out this color, the green color, and bring it to yellow, and again we will take yellow ke saath we'll take light orange and we'll smudge it from this side. Okay, now we'll take a little darker shade, the haldi wala yellow, to smudge it. See, we have made such a colorful eye. Yeah. Rajasthani people are very colorful, and because they are colorful, we should make them colorful. Correct? We should not make them. Now we'll leave this Naragundu white and color the Andu red. Okay, this Andu is colored red. The Naragundu is left as it is. Okay, as it is. We'll just color the Andu red. And the Muchi part we'll do Gandewala brown, and later on with little of black we'll put few strands. Okay, this is done. This is done. Now you will understand we have left something here and there which we need to cover. So the Muchi part is done. Now you can see the between part was left and the ear part is left. So let us do the ear part. This will be the background and this shall be fluorescent yellow. The ornaments, they should be shining. Now the pagadi part. Yes, for the pagadi part we are going to use many colors. So first we will start with red. See, we will do a tinge of red. Okay, then we will do guli with pinkudu, and then we shall do guli with white do. Okay, now the same thing we are going to repeat it for one more thing, something somewhere over here. We'll do red, then we will do guli pink, and then we'll do guli white. Okay, so this part is done. Now we'll quickly take our blues. We will take our blues. So one strand we will do blue, the darker shade of blue. Then we will take our light blue, guli technique, and then again the white. Now since we have used green color here, we will try and avoid. Of course we can do it, and I'm going to do it here, but not much, because we have already used green color here. Guli blue, and then white. Okay, now we can use our oranges. Oranges, lemon, soulful penny. All the schoolboys are so many. The grass is green, the roses are red. Remember me till I am dead. You can remember me till even after my death. If you all keep on seeing my YouTube channels, and your bachas and your grandchildren and your future children, If you all keep on seeing my YouTube channels, I will be remembered even after my dead. I was looking out for my rose pink color. I don't know where I have kept my rose pink color. It is such a jabardast color. Yes, it's here. So rose pink color here. This rose pink color I'm going to use for my female also. Now the gilly with white. So we have made the pagdi colorful. Now this part is left. This part again, let me do rose pink. I love this color. Actually I love all the colors. Otherwise you always say कभी तनु आंटी बोलती मेरे को ग्रीन पसंद है, कभी बोलती मेरे को मरून पसंद है, कभी बोलती मुझे कुछ पसंद है. We'll make this also very colorful, but first let us finish this. Now to do this, what are we going to do is first take our lemon yellow and color the complete dupatta lemon yellow. Okay. After we complete this lemon yellow, we are going to add actually you know what, okay, lemon yellow करते हैं यार, कोई फर्क नहीं पैंदा. Okay, on this lemon yellow we are going to use our maroon color. Okay, so we are using, no, I'll use my caramel color, that will look better. This is the primary red. I'll use the carmine color, yes. You can use any color. You have to color it again. So, what color do you want the lady to be? Should we color her blue? Should we color her red? Should we color her bum bum bole, masti mein double, orange shades? You can do any, whichever you wish. We are going to use scraping technique, and scraping technique in such a way that and we are going to use a darker brown shade to do the inner part, or we want the hair to be here, we'll decide it. Now see, since I have made this dupatta only maroon, I need to do some part which is colorful, because otherwise it might not look good. So what we do is, we quickly make, see my hand how it goes. We can just keep on scribbling. Now this is some design which is there on her dupatta. We don't know. So we are just scribbling it. I'm using my nakhun. Y'all can use your scrapers. Y'all can use a toothpick. Y'all can use whatever y'all have. Okay? Just any design, whichever comes to your mind. I'm just doing. Okay, now we will use a brown color to do the inner part, because this is the darker shade which is there behind, and we are going to use a little bit of black also in it, so that you can understand this is the deeper part. This is the deeper part, so it has to be dark in color. Now the lady should be, we'll do blue. Okay, we'll make the lady blue. So similarly how we have done here, first we'll make the nosy part with a small shine, and we'll color the rest of the lady blue. We are going to come back for the ornaments. This is looking a dull color, so you have to make something bright somewhere. So this will be her eyebrows and the eyelids. Okay, now similarly how we did here, this part is going to be dark, this part is going to be dark, the face, this part is going to be dark, The lip के नीचे वाला part is going to be dark. This part is going to be dark. Okay. And half the nose. Then after this we use a blue color to do the lips. The face. We are not doing much shading. It is very simple. It looks beautiful. It's not necessary that every drawing needs to be shaded. Now this part is going to be blue. Okay, and this is the gardan part. Okay, gardan matlab the neck. And then you need to smudge it off with light blue. Now we are going to color the lip doos. So for the lip doos we have a primary red color. So we'll remove, put a little touchki white here and a touchki white here, and we'll color the lips red. Okay, now the ornaments. Okay, since now she is blue in color, so we'll take a little bit of blue here, a little bit of blue here. Then we'll take a yellow and smudge it off. Yellow, and we smudge it off. Now the tikda part, the tikka, tikka. This has to be red. It should match with the lipstick. Now this will be red. The second part will be red. Okay. Then we'll use a fluorescent color for the between part and for the naragundus. Okay, we use the fluorescent yellow for the, what do you call this, the ornaments, the necklace, and this is a dull color, so we'll use a vibrant color. And what is a vibrant color? Okay, we'll use fluorescent pink for this part. Colors, okay, we are using fluorescent pink. You all can use any shades whichever you feel like. There is no restrictions at all. So you all can use any colors. Okay, now this part, what are we going to do is make it, because this part is a little dull, I'm not liking it much, so we'll color the shirt or the kurta of the man fluorescent yellow, so that there is brightness in the painting. Okay, we did this fluorescent yellow, and with red we'll make few polka dots here and there. Polka dots with the khadya, Okay, so this is done. Now the makeup part, and after we do the makeup part we have to do the background color. So our makeup part is to be done with black, so we start. We cannot let our drawing become dull, so we are going to do something else or the other so that it shines. Okay, I just saw Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, and I just loved the one painting which I saw in Bhide's house, and I'm going to teach you all in my next tutorials. Superb painting. I just loved it. It was very simple. Even my Chunumunus can do it, but a beautiful one. You know what I do when I see Tarak Mehta or any such serials? I keep on watching for paintings behind. I'm making this part a bit dark because we have to show the darkness behind. Okay, So this part, I've done Gande wala brown, but I'm showing a little bit of darkness behind. There's a little khar this side. Okay, my eyes should be shining black. This is done, this is done, yes, this is done, this is done. Now we'll make the necklace also with lines just to enhance it. Now the outer part of this lady, now the muchika strands little bit. I told you we'll do it later on. मुझे हो तो नथुला जैसी हूँ. So he is my Nathulal, but he is Hara, he is not Lal. Though I call him Nathulal, he is Hara. Appa. See, you know why I show you the complete video? Because even teachers do make mistakes while making. It is not that we are God gifted and we will not make any mistakes. We do make mistakes and we learn from our mistakes. You should know how to rectify the mistakes. This is a one take video. Only the drawing part is done separately and the coloring part is done separately. It is a one take video so that you realize. You know, because sometimes when you see videos, you feel depressed. Oh, they have done it so nicely and we couldn't do it. It is because they take different shots. You should never get disheartened because होती है गलती, हमसे भी होती है गलती बाबू. We do mistake. We too do make. Correct बोला हाँ. We too do make mistakes. Now what we are going to do is colorful background. The backgrounds which I love the most. So I have my ting-ding, my watercolors, and ting-ding, my pani. And what I do is I take water, I put, see, and I put blue somewhere here. Now I wash my brush. Now take some other color and I put it, it's green. So I put it here. Now again I wash my brush, take a different color, put it here. This is Ranga Ranga Karyakram. Okay, now again I wash my brush and see to that the colors have, yes. Now again I wash my brush, I take the light orange color. Now there is a little blue ka kammi, so again I wash my brush. Every time you need to wash your brush whenever you're doing a different shot of colors, because if you don't wash your brush, the beauty of these colors will not appear. Now again what we do is we take green, we put it here. Now we wash our brush. See, every time I'm repeatedly telling wash your brush. नहीं तो color नहीं आएगा. समझ का पड़ा. I've taken blue. Now let me take a bit of pink. Yes. And I'll take a little bit of yellow. I have not taken yellow at all. I'll click a snap when it is dried up, because wet mein the shine will come and then it will not look that good. So our drawing is done.